Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be explaining to you guys the carrot weather. So you basically need to submit carrots as a fuel to this rocket. Once you've completed it, it's going to start this weather, the radioactive weather, and it's going to basically give the radioactive mutation to random plants. The more fruits, vegetables you contribute to fuel the rocket, the more mutations your plants will get. So yeah, that is basically it. Before admin events, make sure you plant a lot of carrots. You do need to submit it one by one, which is a little bit annoying, but if you get help from your friends, it's very doable. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!